The ugly duckling. It is summer. Mother Duck has got 6 eggs. 5 eggs break and 5 yellow ducklings come out. But the 6th egg doesn't break. "Oh dear, this egg is very big," says Mother Duck. Later, the 6th egg breaks. A big grey duckling comes out. "Oh no! This duckling is ugly!" shouts Mother Duck. "Come on, ducklings, let's go and visit the hen," says Mother Duck. She looks at the ugly duckling and she says, "Walk behind your brothers and sisters. I don't want anybody to see you. You're ugly." The ugly duckling is sad. The hen sees the ducklings. She sees the ugly duckling too. The hen laughs. "Look, that duckling is silly," says the hen. "He has got short legs. He's grey. His beak is silly. He's an ugly duckling." Everybody laughs. The ugly duckling is very sad. The next day, the ugly duckling leaves. He is crying because nobody likes him. He walks and walks. He sees some insects. "Hello," he says. But the insects don't talk to the ugly duckling. Later, he sees some birds. "You're funny. We like you," they say. There is a loud noise. "It's a big dog," the birds shout. They fly away. The ugly duckling is afraid. He hides in the grass. The big dog runs into the grass. It sees the ugly duckling. It smells the ugly duckling, but it goes away. "The dog doesn't like me because I'm ugly," says the ugly duckling. The ugly duckling walks and walks. He sees a house. An old woman lives in the house. She is cooking. The ugly duckling can smell the food. That food smells good." "I'm hungry," he says. The old woman looks at the ugly duckling. "You're a funny duckling," she says. "Are you hungry? Eat this food." The ugly duckling eats the food. Now he feels happy. But a cat and a hen live with the old woman. They are bad. "We don't like you," says the cat. "You're ugly," says the hen. "Go away, ugly duckling," they say. The ugly duckling is sad again. he leaves the house. Now it is autumn. It is cold. The ugly duckling walks and walks. He looks at the sky and he sees some white birds. They are beautiful. The ugly duckling likes the white birds. "Hello!" he shouts. But the white birds don't hear the ugly duckling. They are flying in the sky. The ugly duckling wants to fly, but his wings are small. Now it is winter. It is very cold and there is lots of snow. The ugly duckling is tired and he is hungry. One day, the ugly duckling sees a man. The man wants to catch the ugly duckling. "Come here, little bird." "I want to eat you," says the man. The ugly duckling jumps. Look, he can fly. The winter months are long and cold. The ugly duckling is very sad and hungry. But now it is sunny. It is spring. The white birds come back. "Those birds are beautiful, but I'm ugly," says the ugly duckling. The ugly duckling wants to talk to the white birds. He wants some friends. "Hello, I'm ugly, but please be my friends," he says. The white birds smile. They like the ugly duckling. "Hello, little brother," say the white birds. "Brother? I'm not your brother," says the ugly duckling. "You're beautiful and I'm ugly." "You aren't ugly. Look at your face in the water," say the white birds. The ugly duckling looks in the water. He sees his face. He is very surprised. He isn't ugly. He is a beautiful white bird. The ugly duckling is a swan. 3 children see the swans. "Look, look," they say. "There's a new swan. He's very beautiful." The new swan is shy. He hides his face under his wing. The children give the swan some bread. Now the new swan smiles. The children like him. He isn't ugly. He is a beautiful white swan. "I'm a swan!" he shouts. The new swan remembers all the sad days, but he isn't angry. Everybody loves the new swan. He has got lots of friends. He is very happy.